Hi guys, I've been using the same stick welder. It's a Craftsman Buzz box. My father bought me, gave to me at Christmas in 1969. Still works. I've done a lot of welding with it, but it's still a AC Buzz box. And I've been wanting a Wire Welder for a while. This is not a review. This is just my first thoughts and a little bit of info on this Wire Welder I bought. I argued with myself on whether to get one that did TIG and MIG and all that stuff, and I finally just decided I needed something for smaller stuff and easily portable to where I could use it with a generator. And this wind generator will power it. It requires a 20 amp, 110 volt circuit. And this has got a 20 amp, 110 volt circuit. So, I got what I wanted in that respect. It's a titanium Flux 125. I bought it at Home Depot. Black Friday sale, 147 bucks. And the one that did everything was like $800. So I'll give you my first thoughts on it. I did a little welding with it. And it welded okay. It's lots different from stick welding. I can tell you that right now. This is a no bells and whistles machine here. It hadn't got a meter to tell you how many amps you're running and all that kind of stuff. Well, I don't care. I want a good weld. I want good penetration. I don't care what the reader says. You got a dial indicator. Like right now, it's sitting on F. Maybe the book's got something in here that tells you what that is. I don't know. I haven't looked at the book. I did look at this quick start guide to load this spool in it and get it going. But I'm satisfied so far. I'm not going to recommend anybody run out and buy one of these, but if you was in my position where you needed something for smaller jobs and portable, this thing don't weigh but 17.5 pounds. I weighed it, cables and all, power cord, ground cable, everything, 17.5 pounds. I'm not too crazy about the strap. I put the strap on that, it came with it. I think I'd just rather have a handle on top, but it's got a plastic latch. And I don't know about that. I don't know about putting a handle and pulling on that plastic latch. But as far as welding with it, anybody that has done any welding will soon see it's a balance between your amps and your speed of your feed wire. And I caught on pretty quick. It wasn't difficult for me. So I like it so far. I haven't done any big jobs with it. One thing I got to build is a welding table. I got some metal. I need to get some more before I will start on it. But so far, I'm liking the little thing. And it's simple. The setup is simple. And I'm not too overly whelmed with this thing. Let me get it in a little closer. I got more cable than that. I'm not too crazy about that. The spring is not strong enough. That's the reason I'm not too crazy about it. I can do about That's easily taken care of. So, that's my skinny on it. Titanium Easy Flux 125. I may have gotten what I wanted. I might let you know about a year from now. Hey, thanks for watching. And comment if you like. You ain't got a stud? Now, I'm not like that. No money, no Patreon, none of that BS. That's not me, y'all. I'm just sharing what I got going on. Y'all take care. Christmas is coming. Hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. Hope everybody has a wonderful Christmas with your family. That's what it's all about. It's not how much money you spend, it's the time you spend with your family. See y'all.